Well, hello there. I'm Richard Williamson, or you can call me Dick Willy. Today we'll be looking at trees. We'll be looking at how they're green, how they're brown, how they remind me of my problem with erectile dysfunction, how I can't pleasure my wife in the bedroom anymore. So, let's get started, shall we? See, I remember nature. I love trees, I always have. Reminds me of how it used to be back in the old days. Like how me and Janice used to tap each other like white ooze in the sunset. But now she doesn't love me because I'm a wrinkly old man. Well, fuck you, Janice, you bitch. Anyway, let's get on with the documentary, shall we? Hey! Oh.
Flowers. Remember when I used to get you flowers, Janice? That's before you fucked Derek, you know. Before you were so much bigger. I'm only 35, I'm not even that old. I don't know what your problem is. Fucking tree, I can't remember. Fucking go about trees or whatever. Like, fucking, I don't even know. Like, do I even love you anymore? I don't mean that fucking flowers look like a fucking hamster's grave or something. I don't even know. It's like, dang, like, I love you, Janice! Fuck you, Janice! Ah! Oak tree, bastard! I don't even need to. Why are we doing a documentary on oak trees? Everyone's seen a fucking oak tree, everyone knows how they work. Fucking, I don't have twigs, so like you. You don't get any fucking twigs either. Fucking leaves as well, bastards. Fucking tree. Janice, I hate you. Look, webs, like your vagina. Your vagina has webs, because I don't pleasure you anymore. Fucking, no, oh shit, fucking someone, no. Fucking jam, you little gut. Oh fuck, it's open! Fuck you! Oh, this has been Dick Willys on trees. Next week we'll be doing boulders and how I supposedly don't have any testicles anymore. I don't know. Anyway, see you next week. Janice? Janice? Janice, is that you? Don't run too fast. You know, I've got little legs. Come on. Come back here. Come on. Come on, you know you love me. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Come on. You can't run forever.